Master's castle, with its ultra-rare castle crystal, had many princes and princesses as regulars. It's recognized by the world as a paradise. But that's a thing of the past. I've been waiting for you to return since your departure.
What happened here? Earthquake? Tsunami?
But I waited and waited in vain. Then an evil woman came along. She just took all the castle crystals with her. The castle collapsed in an instant once the crystals were gone. And that's the end of it.
Are you sure you've not mistaken me for someone else? I don't remember any of this.
How could that be? Do you really not remember? I can't believe it. The castle's in ruins, and now you've lost your memories.
Please, don't cry. Tell me more. Maybe it'll help me remember.
It's okay, Master. I'll stay by your side, like always, no matter what. Those guys are surfacing again. They've been popping up constantly since that woman turned up. It's like she created a tunnel for them or something.
From the look of this monster, I guess this is probably the so-called tutorial level. Leave it to me. What's going on? Why can't I attack?
Master! You bastards! Don't you dare harm my master! Are you all right, Master? Sorry. I didn't realize you may need time to recover after bumping your head.
Well, my head is perfectly fine. You're really something. What's your name, anyway?
I am Joey Elliott Fox Ivarumo Juno-esque Eva, your faithful butler.
Butler? No wonder you're so familiar with the castle. But, did I used to call you by your full name?
No. You gave me a nickname. You used to call me... Yes, that's it. Please call me by this name as before. You must be at a loss right now. Don't worry. I'll do everything in my power to help you. You used to give me so much guidance. Though the castle is in ruins, luckily we've still got some crystals stashed away. It's not much, but it should be enough to rebuild the basics of the castle. Pull yourself together, Master. There's so much to be done. You must rebuild the castle yourself as it's connected to your psyche. This is a new beginning. Why don't you pick a name for our new home? As far as we can go in the construction with the crystals on hand, looks like we need to collect more crystals. It has appeared. Shortly after this portal appeared last time, that fearsome woman came and snatched away. She returns. Our castle. No, we must destroy it as soon as possible. Master, over here!
Hey, ha! Hey, ha!
Wow! That was amazing, Master. You're not on peak form, but you're recovering. The threat must have triggered your fighting instinct. Yes, that must be it.
Fighting instinct? Looks like I used to be real tough. Hey, ha! Hey, ha!
I didn't realize it'd be this painful to recover your memories. If only I could bear some of that pain in your place.
Don't worry, I'm fine. I'm getting the hang of combat too.
Well, we'd better hurry then. The monsters are growing in numbers. Is it too late?
Hey, ha! Hey, ha!
Damn it. The monsters ahead look even scarier.
Hey, ha! Hey, ha! Hey, ha! Hey, ha!
Phew. Thank God you're here, Master. Though you've only recovered 1% of your strength, you prevented the castle from being destroyed again.
Speaking of which, how do I go about restoring the castle?
Looks like you're really energized now. You told me that if you venture across the Eversong Forest, you can travel to the faraway capital where a powerful magician lives.
The Oz capital? Let's set off right away.
I'm sorry to leave your side, Master, but you must travel alone.
Why?
It's my duty as a butler to watch over the castle. I need to stay here in case a portal shows up again. But I'll be here to welcome you home as always. Have a safe trip, Master.
Open the eyes, but remain stuck in the dream world. It takes courage and the light in your memory to find yourself.
is open. Let's go. We must wake up Snow White.
According to the map, we should be over the Eversong Forest now. We should be in the Oz capital soon. What's happening? Ah! That hurts. Was functional reliability sacrificed for the sake of aesthetics in designing the airship? Let's see if there's anything to restore